An aquatic mechanical design presentation.
Hello, my name is Michael Chaffee from Aquatic Mechanical Design. This video segment focuses upon the approach to designing in-ground spas in a way that will direct construction efforts towards achieving first-class standards. Rest assured, first-class standards in spa construction are very different than what is accepted as industry standards. What is widely accepted as an industry standard spa is a single row of 6 jets that uses swivel eye insiders as a nozzle. It's actually the Venturi T that facilitates the air induction, which is being influenced from the water's stream velocity, and both are mixed at the discharge point of the swivel eye. One major shortcoming with the industry standard is that the air being induced is generally much cooler than the heated water, and this causes the spa to take longer to heat up, while cooler air influences the warm water. Another shortcoming is the lack of adjustments for the air and water's individual contributions and the individual intensities of each jet nozzle. Basically, the industry standard is it's an all-on or an all-off function. These shortcomings, combined with the lack of in-ground spas being covered while heating, are some of the reasons that in-ground spas can take longer to heat up, as compared to a covered portable spa that has a fraction of the water while using more than double the electrical energy. So from these examples, you may be able to appreciate how industry standards just might fall a little short of meeting the expectations for providing a soothing and relaxing therapeutic jet action result. Designing a first-class in-ground spa requires applying an understanding of hydronic science and fluid hydraulic principles with a selection of specially engineered products that are specifically developed for building an in-ground spa. And as such, results don't just happen without being specified and called out on our plans. First-class results from our level of planning will also require utilizing a high level of skill for the installation if you wish to arrive at first-class results. Proper instructions are key to providing directions for arriving at that destination, and this is what a strong set of plans and specifications can bring to your table for negotiating the value in the cost to perform. It is in this sense that plans don't cost, but plans pay dividends over the many years to come from the value received in grief-free operation. So now you have a resource to assist you in planning and designing a first-class in-ground spa standard that your project deserves. Please give us a call at 1-800-766-5259 to discuss your upcoming needs and planning for your first-class spa result. And thank you for listening.